Hello everyone! Today, we are going to talk about common mistakes new YouTubers make. Starting a YouTube channel can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but there are some common mistakes that new YouTubers make that can hinder their progress. These mistakes include not having a clear plan, not optimizing video titles and descriptions, not investing in quality equipment, not having good thumbnail images, not interacting with viewers, and not collaborating with other YouTubers. In this talk, I will go over each of these mistakes and offer some tips on how to avoid them. So let's get started. Not having a plan. Many new YouTubers forget that having a clear plan is the key to success. Without a plan and goals, it will be hard to track progress, stay motivated, and create content consistently. Not optimizing video titles and descriptions. Video titles and descriptions are important elements of SEO. Without optimizing your titles and descriptions, your videos will not show up in search results and your viewers will not be able to find you. Not investing in quality equipment. Poor audio and video quality can be a turn-off for viewers. Investing in quality equipment such as cameras, microphones, lighting, and editing software can really help you create better content and stand out from the crowd. Not having good thumbnail images. Thumbnails are important for getting clicks. If you don't have good thumbnails, viewers won't be attracted to your videos. Not interacting with your viewers. Interacting with your viewers is essential for building relationships and growing your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and thank viewers for watching your videos. Not collaborating with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach a larger audience, gain exposure, and create unique content. By connecting with other YouTubers, you can also gain valuable feedback and advice. Thanks for joining me on this journey to learn about common mistakes new YouTubers make. I hope that this talk was helpful and that you now have a better understanding of what to avoid when starting a YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for listening and have a great day.